Welcome back to Cooking with Jael. Today, we're going to be making potato soup. Our ingredients today are potatoes, flour, salt, chicken broth, bacon, heavy cream, kale, garlic, black pepper, basil, celery, and butter. Now we're gonna cook the bacon. Now that the bacon is cooked, we're going to use 1/4 cup of the bacon grease and cook the celery and onions. I'll pour the grease in first, then the celery and onions. Now we're going to put the minced garlic into where we cooked our onions and celery. We cooked the celery and onions, so now we're going to add our cube potatoes in our bigger pot, and then we're going to add the onions and celery back in the big pot. Now we're going to toss the cubed potatoes in the mixture. Now we're going to put the top on it and let it cook for 4 minutes. Now we're going to add the bacon and put it in a big pot. And we're going to add chicken broth to cover the potatoes. And the chicken broth. Now we're going to put the top back on it. And we're going to cook it until the potatoes are tender. Now we're going to melt our butter. We melted our butter, and now we're going to put 3 tablespoons of flour in the pan. 1, 2, Now we're going to whisk it together. Now we're going to add the heavy cream in while we're mixing it. Now we're going to add the kale and basil. Kale. Keep stirring until it gets thick. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of basil in our pot. And keep stirring. Mix everything together. Now we're going to pour our mixture into the bowl that we cooked our potatoes in. Then we're going to mix it. Now that the potato soup is done, we are going to plate it. Now we're going to put garnish and cheese on the top. Alright guys, who's hungry? Let's try the potato soup. Nice, very good, cold day. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe the JRuss Way and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Bye, see you next time.